Hey guys, I'm out here with my Cat 289 D3 skid steer and my Prime Attachments brush mower. I'd like to give you guys kind of a visual representation of what to expect with one of these pieces of equipment, whether you be clearing trails, clearing fence lines on the farm, or just cutting new growth in general. That being said, let's get after it.
I was young and feisty, never did things for the book. Just let me get my toolbox, and I'll take myself a look. I climbed up on the dozer, with my organic stride, and keep it running while I poke around inside. Shake hands with danger, do the guy you ought to know. I used to laugh at safety, now they call me Three Finger Joe. Though I learned a lesson, I forgot to set it out. The nicks and burns and scratches showed the young ones I was tough. Till another morning, I was grinding